Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Pitch and Pronunciation. Well, I'm sure आप लोग डेली जो भी 5 words ले रहे हैं डेली के, you're learning the right pronunciation of the words and you're repeating also in your daily lives. So if not, please do it, क्योंकि अगर किसी वर्ड को हम लोग सालों साल गलत उच्चारण उसका कर रहे हैं तो एक दिन में वो ठीक भी नहीं होता है, जबान पे चढ़ा हुआ है हमारे वो या दिमाग में बसा हुआ है. So we'll have to correctly understand it कि उसका pronunciation है क्या और उसके बाद में उसे correctly pronounce करते जाना पड़ेगा. हमें purposely use में लेना पड़ेगा उसे. Then only slowly and gradually वो दिमाग में हमारे बैठेगा और उसको हम correct real time application उसका सही होता जाएगा. Right? So अच्छा, एक चीज और है इसमें, कई लोग सोचते होंगे ऐसे कि वर्ड्स तो ये हम सही तो उसका उच्चारण हम करते ही हैं पहले से, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हो सकता है पहले से सही उच्चारण करते हो उसका, लेकिन हमेशा आप सी लर्निंग इज अ रेगुलर प्रोसेस, तो आपको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ इसका फायदा मिलेगा कि ये वर्ड्स हम गलत उच्चारण इसका कर रहे थे, नाउ वी हैव टू करेक्ट इट. सो दैट्स द आइडिया ऑल अबाउट इट. नेटिव स्पीकर्स जो होते हैं इंग्लैंड के या अमेरिका के, वो उनका एक्सेंट थोड़ा डिफरेंट होगा ही, तो वैसे की वैसा हमें कॉपी करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, बट आवर प्रोनाउंसिएशन हैज टू बी clear and close to the perfection. So what are the words that we've taken today? This is, British will say extempore and Americans will say extempore. British will say extempore and Americans will pronounce it as extempore. That's the basic difference. This is not extempore at all. So a good orator will always deliver a good speech about any subject extempore. The second word today is carton. This is not cartoon. A few people pronounce it as cartoon. जो डिब्बा होता है गत्ते का बना हुआ, that's carton. So the carton of medicines is lying inside the shop. Carton. This is not at all cartoon. Cartoon characters are different. An extra O is required here to make it cartoon. Third word today is this is schedule in British pronunciation, and Americans will say schedule. They'll say schedule. Both in terms of noun and verb, they'll say schedule and British will say schedule. So they say, the British will say all the contents of the meeting were well mentioned in the schedule, and Americans will say all the important contents of the meeting were mentioned in the schedule. Similarly, in terms of verb, British will say, I've scheduled a meeting in the evening, and Americans will say, I've scheduled a meeting in the evening. So that's the difference. The word is now British will say premier. British will say premier and Americans will say premier. So that's the pronunciation difference in British and American accent. Premier and premier. So British will say Dr. Abdul Kalam was one of the premier scientists of India, and Americans will say Dr. Abdul Kalam was one of the premier scientists of India. And the fifth word today is, this is quite in use nowadays, this is quarantine. Quarantine. This is not quarantine, quarantine. So both the British and the Americans will say quarantine. So the COVID infected patients need to stay in quarantine, right? So these are the words today. I hope you learn them well and use them. Okay, thank you and stay well.